Hi friends, welcome back to Free Chess Videos for All. Today we'll see the Sicilian Defense Knight of Variation. The game I prepared for you, it was played between Magnus Carlsen and Ding Liren in Carlsen Tour Finals 2020. So Ding was playing with white pieces and Magnus was playing with black pieces. So without delay, let's jump into the game. So the game starts with e4, c5, now knight f3, d6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4, now knight f6 to protect the e4 pawn, knight c3, now a6. So this is the knight of structure from black side. Now white goes for f3. So the objective of f3 move is to push the pawn from g2 to g4. Another objective is, like, if you go for bishop e3 move, that is the English attack, this knight can come to g4 and attack this bishop. Okay, so to avoid that also you can play the f3 move. Now black can go for e6 or e5. If black goes for e5, then knight can come to b3. Then you can develop your bishop to e7. White can develop the bishop to e3 and white can go for short castle. I'll show you. So this could be the move order. These are all standard moves, nothing to worry. So this structure white can go for, okay. But in the game, Magnus went for e6. So this is also a very good move. So after e6, bishop e3, now h5 to stop the g4 move. Now queen d2. So the point of queen d2 is white is going for the long castle. So bishop e7, now long castle, b5. Okay. Now to stop b4, a3, bishop d7. Now king b1. So the point of king b1 is later on black can put the queen into c7 square, or black can put the a8 rook to c8. So in that case there would be a pressure on this pawn. Okay, so to avoid that you move your king to b1 square. Now knight c6, knight takes c6, bishop takes c6. So bishop f4. So here there are two moves. If black goes for d5, then queen f2, queen can come to a5, he takes d5, knight takes d5, now knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, now queen g3 to attack the g7 pawn. Black can go for castle, now bishop e5, now g6. So this could be the position if black goes for the move d5. So the position is good for white, but it's playable from black side. Okay, so we can cover this game in some other video, but today let's go back to the bishop, sorry, knight c6. Yeah, bishop takes c6. So here after bishop f4, Magnus went for e5. This is also a good move, not a problem. So bishop g5, now queen b6. So bishop takes f6, bishop takes f6. Now knight d5. Here instead of knight d5, you can take the pawn on d6. If rook d8, then queen can come to b4, and if rook takes d1, knight takes d1. Okay, but instead of that, Ding went for knight d5. This is also a good move. Yeah. So bishop takes d5, queen takes d5. Now Magnus went for king e7 because double attack was there on this pawn. So instead of that, Magnus could have gone for rook d8. Okay, it is a good move compared to this king e7. Okay, now after king e7, c4. So c4, Magnus played rook a c8. So instead of rook a c8, Magnus should have played rook h b8. Now c takes b5, pawn takes b5, rook c1, now rook a5, rook c6, queen can go to d8. So this position is quite good for black side also, but instead of rook h b8, Magnus went for rook a c8. So this is not a good move. Why? C takes b5, rook c5, but queen can come to b3. Now a takes b5. Now a4, rook h c8, but white gets a pawn. Bishop takes b5. Now bishop g5. The plan is put the rook into c1. So rook takes c1. Again rook takes c1. Yeah, not here. After bishop g5, it's rook d3. So here the plan is to put the rook on c1. So okay, h4, expanding on king side. Now rook h d1. So eyeing for this pawn. Now here rook c1. If rook takes c1, again rook takes c1, king goes to a2. Now queen comes to g1, eyeing for this a1 square to meet the king, but queen goes to d5, and then if you give a check, queen can come to b3. Okay, so instead of that, Ding goes for king a2. Good move. Rook takes d1, rook takes d1. Now bishop f4, h3 to protect that pawn. Bishop e3. After bishop e3, bishop c4. So queen takes b3, king takes b3. Bishop d4, rook d2, because the plan was rook b8 and take the b2 pawn. Okay, after rook c2, sorry, rook d2, f5, rook c2. Pawn takes e4, pawn takes e4. Now king f6. The plan is to bring the king to the king side. Bishop b5. Now rook b8. Now king b4. King g5. Now a5. King f4. Now rook goes to e2. Protect that. Rook c8. a6. Bishop c5. King goes to a5. Now bishop a7. b3. Rook comes to c1. Now bishop c4. Check. King b5. Rook b1. King goes to c6. Bishop c5. King goes to b7. Rook a1. Now b4. So if you take the pawn, you can push the pawn to a7 and there would be a queen, and if you take the queen, king takes rook. So yeah, this is the game I wanted to show you. So I'll prepare a series of knight of variation to cover all the variations. So yeah, you follow the channel and you will be able to find all the variations. So yeah, if you like the video, please share it and please subscribe the channel, and also please press the bell icon, and I'll see you soon. So till then, be safe and all the best.